For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a billboard business can be highly profitable, especially in areas with high traffic and commercial activity. With the help of AI, you can streamline tasks like site selection, design creation, client targeting, contract automation, and performance tracking. Below is a detailed step-by-step guide on how to launch a billboard business using AI tools effectively. Step 1. Research and planning. Before making investments, start with industry research. Use AI tools. ChatGPT, OpenAI for market analysis and competitor research. Google Bard or Claude for gathering geographic demand insights. Prompt example. ChatGPT create a detailed analysis of the outdoor advertising market in / your city or state, including key competitors, growth trends, and demand patterns. Tasks. Identify the demand for billboard advertising in your area. Study competitors' locations and pricing models. Determine your target clients, local businesses, event organizers, real estate companies, etc. Step 2. Create a business plan. Your business plan should cover your services, digital/static billboards, target market, startup costs, operations, and marketing strategy. Use AI tools. ChatGPT. Live Plan, AI-assisted business planning tool. Prompt example. ChatGPT. Write me a professional business plan for a billboard advertising company in / location, offering both static and digital billboard rentals, targeting local businesses. Include in your plan. Executive summary. Business model, leasing, owning land, digital versus static. Startup costs, billboard construction, land leasing, permits. Marketing strategy. Revenue projections. Step 3. Choose a business structure and register. Register your business legally to operate. Use AI tools. ChatGPT for explaining different legal structures. Clerky or First Base for AI-powered business incorporation. Prompt example. ChatGPT. Compare LLC versus S-Corp for a billboard advertising business in Florida, including taxes and liability protection. Tasks. Choose a name. Register with your state. Apply for an EIN via IRS. Obtain necessary licenses. Step 4. Select billboard locations. Choosing the right location is key to attracting advertisers. Use AI for geospatial analysis and traffic data. Use AI tools. Placer.ai or Teralytics location intelligence. Google Maps with AI plugins. GIS mapping tools. Prompt example. ChatGPT. Help me list the top 5 most visible and high-traffic locations in / city for placing a billboard, and explain why these would attract advertisers. Consider. Highway traffic count. Commercial visibility. Local zoning laws. Step 5. Secure land or lease space. Decide whether to buy land, lease it, or partner with landowners. Use AI tools. Reonomy or Zillow AI for property research. ChatGPT for lease contract drafting. Prompt example. ChatGPT. Write a billboard land lease agreement between a billboard company and a private landowner. Negotiate. Monthly rental rate or revenue share. Lease duration, typically 5 to 10 years. Access rights for maintenance. Step 6. Get permits and follow regulations. Billboards are heavily regulated. You'll need local and possibly federal approvals. Use AI tools. ChatGPT to explain regulation basics. DocuSign AI for submitting and tracking applications. Prompt example. Asterisk ChatGPT. What permits and zoning approvals do I need to erect a billboard in /city/state? And how do I apply? Asterisk. Typical steps. Asterisk apply to your city/county zoning board. Asterisk check with the Department of Transportation, DOT, for highways. Asterisk get construction permits. Step 7. Design and construct the billboard. Decide on static or digital billboard types. Use AI tools. Asterisk Midjourney, DALL-E, or Canva AI for billboard design. Asterisk AutoCAD AI plugins for structural planning. Asterisk ChatGPT for working with contractors. Prompt example. Asterisk create a modern, attention-grabbing 14 by 48 static billboard ad design for a real estate agency using Midjourney or Canva AI. Asterisk construction involves. Asterisk foundation work. Asterisk steel structure installation. Asterisk display, vinyl print or LED screen. Step 8. Set pricing and advertising packages. You need a clear pricing structure and packages for advertisers. Use AI tools. Asterisk ChatGPT for pricing strategies. Asterisk Excel with AI plugins or Notion AI for financial modeling. Prompt example. Asterisk ChatGPT. Create a pricing model for a digital billboard in a high-traffic area that includes daily, weekly, and monthly rates, with discounts for long-term contracts. Asterisk consider. Asterisk traffic exposure. Asterisk digital rotation slots. Asterisk static versus digital pricing differences. Step 9. Find and manage clients. Attract clients with AI-powered outreach and CRM. Use AI tools. Asterisk Apollo.io, ZoomInfo, or HubSpot AI CRM. Asterisk ChatGPT or Jasper for personalized cold emails. Prompt example. Asterisk write a cold email offering billboard advertising to local restaurants in /city, highlighting traffic volume and first-month discounts. Asterisk tasks. Asterisk create a client database. Asterisk send outreach emails. Asterisk offer bundle discounts or seasonal promotions. Step 10. Use AI for ad design services. Many small businesses need help creating visuals. Offer AI-assisted design as a service. Use AI tools. Asterisk Canva AI, Adobe Firefly DALL-E. Asterisk Loca or Brandmark for branding. Prompt example. Asterisk design a bold billboard ad for a new pizza shop using Canva AI with red, yellow, and black branding and a focus on delivery. Asterisk. You can charge extra for this service and build strong client relationships. Step 11. Automate operations. Streamline bookings, contracts, and scheduling with AI tools. Use AI tools. Asterisk Zapier plus ChatGPT for automation workflows. Asterisk DocuSign AI for contract signing. Asterisk Notion AI for task tracking. Prompt example. Asterisk create a Zapier workflow that sends a contract to a client when they reserve a billboard slot on my website. Asterisk automate. Asterisk client onboarding. Asterisk booking calendars. Asterisk payment reminders. Step 12. Monitor performance and optimize. Use analytics to show clients the value of their ad spend. Use AI tools. Asterisk Placer.ai, Geopath, or Google Analytics with AI summaries. Asterisk Power BI or Tableau AI for reporting. Prompt example. Asterisk create a report template in Power BI that shows billboard ad impressions, estimated traffic reach, and lead conversions weekly. Asterisk conclusion. With AI integrated into nearly every stage, from planning to execution, you can build a modern, efficient billboard business. AI not only saves time and cost, but also helps you compete at a professional level by enhancing design, outreach, automation, and performance analysis. Starting a billboard business no longer requires a large team, just the right tools and execution. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.